which God gave to him show his servants what must soon take place. He made it known by sending his angels to his servant God.
Came from God
So his
to
servant.
Jesus Christ. May dumaan pang angel. May tinatago ba siya? Wala. Pag binigay ng Diyos, bibigay ko. Although, dadaan pa yun sa angel. Dadaan pa yun sa messenger na tao.
By sending his angels to his servant God.
Yung, di ba nabasa mo yung 7 angels in the right hand? Tao na yun. Sa lupa. May angels sa langit, may angels sa lupa. Pwede di sinulatan niya. Revelation 2. Bakit?
2:1. The angel of the church in Ephesus right. These are the words of him who holds the 7 stars in his right hand and walks among the 7 golden lampstands.
Or paano sino ang ginagamit ng propeta ngayon sa intel? Maliban kayo.
Yung sinulatan niya dyan, tao yan o sa lupa o angel sa langit.
Lupa.
Lupa yan. Kahit sultang angel, pwede gamitin sa tao. Kasi ibig sabihin ng angel messenger. Galatians 4:14. Galatians 4:14.
Tayo sa sarili na being. Being.
It's a being, pero it can be earthly, it can be heavenly. Even if there was an earthly messenger, we're still called an angel. Hindi siya reserved for supernatural being. Galatians 4:14.
Yung Revelation 10:7. Ano yung palagay, di ba? Sa Revelation 10:7.
Even though my illness was a trial to you, he that gave me with contempt was poor. Instead, you welcome me as if I were an angel of God, as if I were Christ.
Angel, di ba sabi siya? Mas taga Bardelis, may tanong mo na si Bert.
Maliban kay Brother Branham na propeta, at alam natin wala na siya ngayon, siya yung propeta sa intel. Sino yung sumunod sa kanya? At kung wala nang sumunod, yung fivefold ministry ba ngayon ang natin tawagin sila yung ginagamit?
Gusto mo sa kanya si Raymond Jackson.
Hindi, yung mga wala na ngayon.
Ngayon na. Tayo ng tagapagmana ng ministry ni Raymond Jackson. Si Ministry Jackson.
So, yung sabihin,
Ano eh. Parang tumatanda na siya.
ibig sabihin, wala na talagang propetang susunod. Or Francis?
Tayo na. Ang church na.
Yung
Eh, iba. Sana walang dalang content. Bakit ba? Nung namatay si William Branham, have you heard of it? Not yet. May kwento. After William Branham died, the one that continued the teaching, the message in the end times, na biblical, no? Yung Bible Absolute. Hindi sermon ni Branham. Si Raymond Jackson. Meron ding ibang katulad niya, pero siya yung kumbaga na sikat kasi ka-close ni Branham yan. Kumbaga, Branham always refers to him. I have the quotes in the back. So, historically rin, siya yung may message na, natutunan namin to. Itong mga nalalaman namin, there was a time siya yung sa kanya namin natutunan. When he spread his message all over the globe. Yung mga detalye na to, may give siya noon to detail of those things. So after Branham died, siya nagpatuloy dun sa pagdidetalye. So maybe other days, bigyan ka namin yung copy ng magazine niya.
Bigyan ako, di ba?
Magazine ni Milievo binigay ko.
Si Milievo, hindi yan naniniwala kay Raymond Jackson. So remember, iba pa yung magazine niya.
Well, may website naman sila. You can go to the website. Extract mga sermons. But there are so many sermons hindi nandoon sa website. At yung mga document issues, mga important issues lang.
When he shall begin to sound, the mystery of God should be finished, as he had declared to his servants the prophets.
Certainly ba? Yan ang dinapansin ng buong time. Nakapansin lang siguro yun si Barbara. Kausap ko sa Espanyola kanina, parang hilakbot sa pulo ni Frank na ganyan. Hindi ko masabi na kanya. Anyway, let's read the Bible carefully. Hindi pa nag-sound. So kung pa-progressive tayo sa understanding, hindi mismo si Barbara yan. Kasi sabi nila, nag-sound na kay Barbara, pero sabi niya, hindi pa nag-sound. That verse could not directly be applied to Barbara. Pwede as a figurative type ng church ages. That verse is tribulation verse. Tribulation. Basahin mo sa taas. Verse, pakibasa verse 8. Verse 6.
Verse 6. And he swore by him who lives forever and ever, who made the heaven, all that is in the heaven, the earth and all that is in it, and the sea and all that is in it, and said, there will be no more delay, but in the days of the seventh angel is about to sound his trumpet, the mystery of God will be accomplished just as he announced to his servant prophets.
So, there will be no more delay. NIV kasi yan, no? King James mo is time. Shall be no more. No more waiting. That is a tribulation. No more waiting. Time is no more. So we are living in borrowed time. When that time goes to a close, it's not rapture. That is talking about the earth. He put his foot on the sea and earth. That's international, worldwide phenomenon. Which is second coming. And when he said time is no more, he is coming down. Yan yung Matthew 24:29 na nakikita siya bumababa. Lahat, every eye shall see him. Time shall be no more. Yung ngayon, when you say ngayon, time shall be no more ngayon, gano'n katagal na ba yung anti-message dito sa Pilipinas? Pilipinas lang, 30 years na eh. So figuratively, time shall be no more para sa atin. Because we should hurry. Pero the fact that God is not yet drawing the curtain to a close, we should, grace niya yun, huwag natin abusin ng grace. Pag inabusin natin yung grace, sa kanya yan, hindi na importante yan. Then, you are tempting God. Nahintayin ka pa, nahintayin. No. When He says time shall be no more, you have no more chance, you have no more. You have only this period of time to receive His revelation. If you don't receive, ano pa lang dapat mong gawin? Ito kasi, anong time, binigyan ka ng time mo. Anong gagawin mo? Verse 11. Tig-isa kayo, no? Verse 10 si Barlito, verse 11 si Barlito.
I look, when I look,
You must prophesy. Hindi lang siya message sa isang prophet. Kailang kumalat yung message. Kumakalat na ngayon. Magtuloy kay kalat. You prophesy, you will receive the gift of the prophet. God will reveal to you things like He was revealing the prophet back in 1960s, 50s. He will reveal to you the same thing. He will give you the same anointing, much more. Sabi ba, they must increase, I must decrease. Hinalimbahan niya sarili niya kay John the Baptist.
so alam mo, so yung sinasabi ni
Tawagin mo sila makita.
I must decrease and he must increase. Sino yung tinutukoy niya ngayon? Yung time na yun. Di ba sinabi niya yun?
Sinabi niya, una si John the Baptist, then kinikwento na niya yung ministry niya.
Oo nga.
Naka-quote yan sa akin eh. Ibig sabihin, in-expect niya, susunod sa kanya, higit pa ang ministry.
Kaya may yung tinutukoy ng yung tinutukoy ng ministry ng yun ang perfection message.
Yung higit pang ministry, hindi yung dami ng tao Yung higit pang ministry, hindi yan sa milagro sa word. mas malalim pa ang pahayag kay William Branham ang ibibigay sa bride na mararapture. Imagine this, pakibasa. Ephesians 5, 25 to 27. Palit-palit na.
25 to 27. Husbands, love your wife as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her, to make her holy, cleansing her by the washing with water to the word,